Families woke up terrified after a powerful 6.3 magnitude earthquake struck early on Monday near Afghanistan's Mazar-e-Sharif, killing at least 20 people and injuring about 260, with the death toll likely to rise, according to the Afghan Taliban Health Ministry. Mazar-e-Sharif is one of the country's largest cities with a population of about 5,23,000. The US Geological Survey said the quake hit at depth of 28 km near Mazar-e-Sharif. The Afghan Taliban Defense Ministry said parts of Balkh and Samangan provinces were the most affected, resulting in fatalities among a number of citizens. Military rescue and emergency assistance teams reached the area immediately and began operations to rescue people, transport the injured and assist affected families, it said in a statement. Staff members of the Afghan Red Crescent conducted rescue and relief operations. Still images released by the agency on Monday showed. The United Nations confirmed it has teams on the ground to assess needs and deliver urgent aid. Afghanistan is particularly vulnerable to quakes as it lies on two active faults that have the potential to cause extensive damage. The country's ability to respond to natural disasters has been further disrupted by a shortage in international aid following the Taliban's successful takeover in 2021.
زلزله اهالی ساعت 1 بجه شروع شده بود. بسیار تکان شدید داد که حتی ما دروازه را باز کرده نتونستیم سه پیره. همین قلفه که دروازه را که باز میکردیم ما را گرفت و طرف انداخت. دیگه حدودی 15 ثانیه خوب تکان شدید داد. دیگه برآمدیم که بیرون خاک است، چنگ است، هیچ معلوم نمیشد. یک والده ما اینجا زیر چوب دستک شده بود، دیگه یک برادر ما بود زیر مانده بود. با کمک همین اهالی قریه، جوانای همین شهر منطقه ما همون را نجات دادیم. فضل خدا در شفاخانه است.
ینگی مونا در داخل خانه بود، آره کشیدم و یک نفری ما گم است. خیلی پالیدم نیافتم. با سعی کردیم در زیر خانه مانده، بیچاره و شهید شده بود. تازه عروسی هم کرده بودک.